Hello and welcome back. This is Wakas Ahmad, and today we are going to talk about Diffit AI tool for English teachers. So we are on Google interface. Here we write Diffit, and the first one with the green D logo, we can click on this one. So here, teachers start here. We click on this. So here we need to have a Google account. So we click on the sign in directly, and we sign in with our Google account. When it is logged in, we can see this kind of interface over here. So number first is literally anything. Number second is learning and creating material for teachers with books. Number third is article and YouTube link. With the help of article or YouTube link, we can create materials for our classroom teaching. And number fourth is text or PDF. We upload a text or PDF and we do the things, and then vocabulary list, and as it goes on. So for example, over here, we try to write the importance of learning a second language, like ESL. This is, for example, the topic. And here we click on ELA. Yeah. So which grade, but we can select over here a lot of options, but we can also skip them if you want to be more specified and centralized lesson plan or material for your classroom teaching. So you can click on any of these. Then we customize it for the classroom. For example, I need it for grade 8th, and the subject is, for example, the language, sorry, is English. Then what kind of type of reading I need, fictional or informational. So for example, I need informational. So then we click on generate resources. We wait a few seconds, so it can generate the response, and it will give us a lot of text. Even we can save them in doc file, PPT, PDF, or we can directly print it from there. So the topic here, we can see the importance of learning a second language, ESL. Here it is. Number first is we have the adopted reading passage for the students of grade 8. Here it is written already, right? So this is the passage where the students have to read and understand. Then we have the summary of the text. Then we can see the key vocabulary words or the vocabulary list over here, that what kind of difficult words students can expect in the text. So they are already been given with the definition or the meaning in English, but in simplified English. For example, Alzheimer, it is a noun. It can also tell the category of the word in speech and the definition, both. So, and also the example. After that, we have multiple choice questions from the text. And multiple choice question, we can see that, for example, this is a question. Here we have multiple choice questions. Then we have the short answer questions for the students. And then we have open-ended prompts. Okay, after that, for example, if I'm a teacher and I need more about it, for example, I need get students activities, like student activity I need, so I click on this one. When I click on the student activity, I have a lot of platforms available for summarization, for templates here for vocabulary, template for the part of speech, and a lot of other things. So for example, this one I like, so I click on this one. And here, then after that, I can customize this activity for my students. Yeah, this is the same picture, but it's the reading, the summary of the text. It's already been put here. This was the complete text. This is the vocabulary term, use it in a sentence. An image to represent is also an activity. It's another activity. The whole text is here. The students can tag notes here. We just need to print them out. And how to print them? We just click on this sign, PPT or PDF, and it can be printed out. Or we can just directly, if you are using Windows laptop, Control plus P, or if you're using Mac OS, you can just click on Command plus P, and you can directly go to the print, and you can directly print them, or you can save in PDF also. Okay, so then we have this one activity, the bubble graphic organizer. Written in summary, they can write the main points over here. Another activity for the students answer and their explanation, for example, and a lot more short answer questions and reflection and discussion. Okay, so let's go back and look at all these options over here. First is favorites, customs, basics, summarize learning, vocabulary, reading strategies, and writing strategies, text analysis, collaboration, and critical thinking. For example, I click on critical thinking. These all are for critical thinking. I don't need to search for. When I click on this one, all the material or the activities or the charts that are for critical thinking that are already designed, I can see them. If I click on collaboration, I can see all for collaboration over here. If I click on the writing strategies, I can see all the materials for writing strategies. So for example, I click on this one and I can see, wait a moment for this one, and we can see now instruction here. We need to write the paragraph. Like when the student read the text, they will just write a paragraph and then informational, narrative paragraph, informational paragraph, and persuasive. For example, this was a writing activity. Some other activities are also there. If I click on basics, I can have these very simply. For example, I click on this one. Yeah, I have adopted text. Okay, so this was something about the Diffit tool for English educators or for all kind of teachers. We can explore and we can customize things very easily, and this is really helpful and friendly. If you have any kind of question, you can contact us and our team will guide you. Thank you for watching.